Hey guys, here is Irina from Hong Kong. Today we will show the Elite Bluetooth gain control. Yeah, look here. The control built-in 3.5mm headphone jack and speaker on the bottom. You can chat with your game partner while gaming. The control compatible with PS4 and PC. In the first type, need a power cable to connect. The LED flash, yellow light, then press and hold the home button. Look here, the LED flash blue light indicates that the connection was successful. In the second time, press the home button to wake up the PS4 host. Here is touchpad, supports jack, link and multi-touch input function. The control built-in powerful vibration model. Of course, we need vibration effects when playing games. And on the back, there are 4 pedals can be switched at will. The 4 pedals is made of metal materials with magnetic function and can be replaced and disassembled to meet different needs. And the setting so easy that just press and hold any pedal and shell, then release at the same time, and press any function button, then you can directly use the back pedal. It's a Bluetooth gain control. As the name implies, the controller has stable Bluetooth connection and the connection range is 8 meters, so don't worry about move around to affect the gain. All I have to say, another advantage of this controller, power saving and long battery life. And if no operational within 5 minutes, the controller will automatically enter sleep mode. Okay, cut short nonsense and return to our gaming. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like our video, just subscribe our channel and we will update more useful video for you. Bye!